Wanted to share with you 5 things that you should check on your current will, or if you don't have a will, to make sure those 5 things are all sorted and looking the way that they should, particularly if you do have a will and you haven't checked it for a while. Number 1, check out who are the executors on your will. Are they the right people? Are they still the right people? Do they still have capacity to be executors to your will and to be able to live out and play out the things that you expect via your beneficiaries and your other nominations? Number 2, we've just spoken about beneficiaries. It's really important to check that you have the right people nominated. Some things have probably changed in your life that may have amended or changed your view on who are the beneficiaries or what they should receive. You might have accumulated more wealth, you might have different assets, you might have some other things going on in your will that have happened over the last period of time since you checked your will, and you really should make sure you're on top of that. The third thing is to check if you have a medical power of attorney in place and making sure that that is still the right person. You may have nominated someone a while ago, they may have got older, they may be incapacitated themselves. So it's really important that you check on that you have the right person, because at some point they may be making medical decisions for you and on your behalf. The fourth one is financial power of attorney. So if you are incapacitated or something's happened in your world where you can't act for yourself but you are alive, and that financial power of attorney that you have in place has that power and they're not the right person, you really need to take a look at that as well. So make sure you check out your financial and your medical powers of attorney as numbers 3 and 4. Number 5 is a testamentary trust. Now, you may or may not have one of those in place, but let's have a chat about the importance of a testamentary trust and making sure you get that right. A testamentary trust is a wonderful benefit or something that you can have in place that can really benefit your bloodline or your children. By having a testamentary trust in place, some of the advantages are the assets that go into that trust upon your death will be in the trust and held in the trust and protected from others. So for example, if it was going to your son or your daughter, they can have the assets within that trust and protected against other people, which may be an ex-spouse or they're in the middle of a breakup or something like that. And the other benefit of that testamentary trust can be some significant tax planning, which is going to help their wealth over time, which is probably what you want for your children and their future. What we know working with our clients is that lawyers are really good at doing the documents, and we work with lawyers to get the documents done. But estate planning is a journey of figuring out who all the right people are, having all the right conversations with those people, such as children, siblings, spouses, and navigating your way through so you get it really well organised, but making sure you really address all of the things whilst you are alive, because that's really the purpose of putting an estate plan in place, is so you don't leave a mess for all the people that you care for. So if you've got any questions or you want to figure out something around your estate plan or dig a lot deeper and really do this properly, let me know, pop your questions in the comments or reach out.